Hello and welcome to our tour of a Deluxe Oceanview Stateroom on the Disney Fantasy. This is 9162, which is in the aft of the ship on deck 9. Welcome to my temporary crib.
Start this side of the room. We have a chair. Just a standard chair. Just nothing exciting.
Very plush chair.
It is. I'd imagine that's just for sitting and looking out said window.
Where there is also a built-in seat anyway.
Indeed. Going to be a few time lapses from this window, so enjoy that, people. But yeah, and then
This is a pull-down bed. It locks, and the stateroom host, if there was more than, this comes out into bed too. If there was more than 2, 3, 5, if there was 5 of you, that would come down.
Yeah.
And there is a really nice art piece on the ceiling there for the child who sleeps up there. Couch, sofa. Also a bed that will pull out. If there is more than 2 of you in this room, the stateroom host will make it up and then unmake it every day.
And that's one of the reasons for the curtain behind Dan as well, is to create a bit of a block off.
Movable
Sorry
table.
about the hand that just kind of waved in front there. My hand.
Oh, not me.
No.
Table. It moves. It's quite helpful.
Yeah.
Desk, vanity area. Loads of storage in here. I don't know if you can see in there. They're quite deep.
Tables drawers.
Hairdryer, and they also give you a heat-proof mat for those of you who have straighteners and hair curlers and whatnot. Please use it. Please don't damage Disney stuff. And then these are just more storage. Free souvenir time. This is going to be really bad if it's not in here. Hey! Free souvenirs, free postcards, stationery, and these, if I can pick one up, here, there's only 2, is a little door hanger.
We will do one of these during this cruise.
But it is a breakfast order. And you put it out the night before, and they come and get it in the middle of the night, and then your breakfast appears, and it is included in the cost of the cruise. Just please give a little tip to the person who brings it to you.
And not something like don't eat yellow snow, as in normally $5 is
Can't say it, that's as good as you get.
a gratuity.
That one. And then little fridge.
Fridge in it.
Little fridge. It's more of a cooler than it is a fridge. It will keep things chilled, but don't go putting like ice cream in there and expect it to stay ice cream.
Apparently it can also look after medical
Yeah,
stuff.
It's medical grade, temperature wise. Art. And then my favourite part, because this is the comfiest bed you will ever sleep in your entire life.
Facts.
I'm not going to do the bed test. In fact, Paul, would you like to do the bed test?
Yes, go on, and then I'll do the tour for the rest of the room as well. The fact that this is round is slightly different to what we're normally used to as well. Normally this is a bit more square off.
That means
because there's a shower.
That means we've got a circular shower, which we've never had before. We'll show you that momentarily.
Right. I've just had my osteopath as well, so this is not going to go well. And then, so nice.
There is also, underneath, perfect storage for suitcase.
Hi.
Are you good?
I'm fine. Yeah.
Would you like to show everyone the rest of the room?
Yes, so just by the sides of the beds, you've got 2 pillows, very, very comfy by the way. Lights that not only do this, but also if you turn to the main lights, they can also control the main lights for the room as well.
They can.
Room phone, mainly if you've ever got an issue, this is the easiest way to get hold of guest services. We had an issue on the Magic where toilet was backing up, not something that...
It says my name.
It does. Not something that was due to us, apparently. We hadn't even touched it and it started to back up, so there we go. There is a drawer just under here as well, so if you do like to keep stuff down. And I also believe... No, not on my side.
Have I got the plugs this
You've got
time?
the plug sockets this time.
I never have the plug socket.
So yes, let's come round to this side and I'll show you
Oh,
that. But,
what a treat.
Underneath, and I'll let Dan just show, but underneath you've got 2 slots there, both for European charging points as such. So
Yep.
yeah.
And then plug. These are the lamps, by the way, for the Disney people in you.
And then the lights on this, that will just control the one lamp.
And then...
Art.
Art. Out of date art now.
We will start with the toilet and work back. Probably
Okay.
easier. Toilet, innit?
toilet. Quite spacious, actually.
Do you know what I really like? I'm going to make a very good point here. Okay. The hotel we were in earlier. You're sitting there, doing your business. You run out of toilet roll. On a Disney cruise ship, your spare is down here. In our hotel earlier, it was above where the ceiling line is. So if you're sitting here and you're like, I've run out. Oh dear, it's hands o'clock. That's really not what you want to be doing. I mean, at least there's a basin here to wash your hands in. Just think about these things, people.
Yeah.
But yeah, spare one down there. And then also under here, there is a towel mat, sharp trap. There is also stuff for sharps disposal. There is a sanitary bag, tissues here. We've got hand soap. So the hand soap is, despite popular conjecture, it is H2O product. It's just in a very nice different bottle. Hand towel as well, and then plenty of space in here. So what Dan and I prefer to do, one of us kind of gets ourselves ready in here, the other one gets ourselves ready in the main bathroom, which we'll now take to.
Which, by the looks of it, is different to any of the bathrooms we've had before.
We've ever had, yes. So.
Is it?
It is! Yes! Welcome to the round shower!
I'm just going to pan down.
Ah, sorry about the feet, that's 20 quid, people.
It's okay, you've got socks on. And then there's a little gap.
And then the controls are just behind here, so keep the camera around that. Controls for it are just there.
And
then you've got all your washing stuff up here. And what I really like, I'm going to take the camera off down for just a second, because she can't see this from where she is. You have spaces just here to put all of your own toiletries if you want to. 2 lines to hang any of your clothes that you want to dry. And then the shower head just there.
And the one above you.
And the one above us. So yeah, this is massive compared to what we normally get.
I've always wanted one of these.
And now you've got one.
We've never managed to get a room with one of these before, so.
Okay, right, back to Danielle.
Hello.
One of the things we really do like is the way that they actually provide enough cloths and stuff every day, and they will refresh it if necessary every day. By the way, Mickey print.
I don't know if it shows up very well. There he is. Hidden Mickey.
Come here. There you go. Mickey.
Yes.
Makeup cloths, ladies.
Yeah, please use them. Please don't put your foundation on their nice white towels.
Body lotion again, it is H2O products. The soap, that hasn't really changed. But yeah, plenty of space to stick stuff. And then again, all down here, towels. That was my knees that crunched.
Yeah.
Bin and tissues. I will say, this is by far the biggest one that we've had in terms of bathroom space.
Apart from maybe the Wish.
I think this is bigger. But then take a step back, we'll show you the cupboards as well. Oh, mirror. Reflects well on you. Pretty standard. There is a safe in here. Life jackets at the top. Space to hang stuff, which we will be doing shortly because we have smart attire for formal night and for Paolo. Safe, which you can set to your own code, and then
there's all of this space too.
Yep, correct. And then there is also a second cupboard as well, which has exactly the same stuff, and a ladder in it.
So that is for the bed that we showed you earlier. Yeah,
So,
and then there's also storage here, drawers here. Don't be fooled; they are very spacious.